Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of trading basics, and in this video I am going to show you how can you add debit card into your Coinbase account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Coinbase application, and after opening the Coinbase application, this interface will be visible. You just simply have to tap into this icon into top left corner, and after tapping into that icon, it will show this interface. You just simply have to go into your profile and setting by tapping into top, and from there you will get add a payment method into the top. Just simply click into that add a payment method, and into there you will get so many options. You just simply have to select debit card option here. Now after doing that, you just simply have to enter your name on card, and after that enter your card number, then expiration date and CVC number. After doing that, enter the postal code, then click to add card. And if your card is authentic, then your card will successfully be added into your Coinbase. By following these very easy steps, you can easily add your card into Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.